Hi guys, today I went to science exhibition at Hyderabad Public School. I have seen lot of projects. This project is about street light. He used sensor in it. Purpose is to avoid accidents. This project is about vacuum cleaner. Here he is explaining the project. We can see the project is working. This is current using citric acid. This project is about electricity production using water. This method used in dams. This is about wheel pulling lift. These projects are Arduino and sensor based. Solar tracker, door lock, smart door lock, etc. This is a smart parking project. This project is about smart security system. This is soil moisture sensor. This is smart street light system. This is smart classroom for attendance. This is a working robot. This is people counting machine. This is anti-sleeping alarm project. Safe from accidents. This is voice control system of fan and light. This is a fountain. This is earthquake detection. This is a boat. Automatic home lamp. Solar power. Irrigation system. This is a drone. This is smart car. Car stop when driver drink alcohol. This is a filter. This is radar system. This is cycle washing machine. It is light data system. Data transfer in light. This is big auditorium. These are science projects. This is solar energy. PSLV rocket. Afforestation, deforestation. Auto seed planter. These are missiles. This is drip irrigation. Environmental protection. Explains layers of earth. Red fort. Natural colors using plants. These are chemistry projects. She is doing a dancing flame using chemicals. Now the fire is inside the flax. This shows chemical properties and reactions. This is chromatography project. This project is about colors and chemical reactions. Color is vanishing out. After few moments, color reappears. Color change experiment. Mirror coating experiment. Acids and bases experiment. Heat generating experiment. Water purifier. This is a natural filter. We can see dirty water on top, purifies to fresh water at bottom. Acid convert to base, base convert to acid. These are amazing experiments to know the reactions of chemicals in chemistry lab. This is the artwork, canvas painting and normal drawings, canvas boards, art on the pots. These are the canvas board, sculptures and various drawing. These are the large canvas paintings. Cultural activities. This is a biology lab, small plants to large plants. These are real animal specimen. Snake, frog, octopus. Plants and animals' real bodies are saved. This is bacteria culture. This is about a cell. Green roof. Lungs and body parts. We can see heart, brain, etc. Skull, microscope. This is food testing technology. Smart irrigation system. Rainwater harvesting. Digestive system. From mouth to large intestine. This is about cancer. This is Telugu project. Talapatra Grandalu. Kavulu rasaru. Big canvas art. Skeleton and scientist. Drip irrigation system. Animal cell, plant cell. Mist irrigation system. DNA. There are so many projects for blind people also using Arduino. Bamboo drip irrigation. So these are the projects I have seen. Keep watching, subscribe the channel.